What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? So it's me again, Joseph Kate. So welcome back to my channel. So for today's video guys, pag-uusapan natin yung lahat ng BDO credit cards. So ano nga ba yung pagkakaiba ng bawat isa? Kasi we are going to find out kung ano yung best credit cards ng BDO. The best credit cards. So kasi guys, hindi lang siya basta credit card, it comes with different benefits kasi. So it really depends upon your lifestyle. Kaya naman ang gagawin natin ngayon is ating iisa-isahin ang lahat ng credit card ng BDO para naman malaman mo kung ano yung fit na BDO credit card sa buhay mo. Kasi it really depends upon the lifestyle. Yun nga, sabi ko palang hindi lang siya basta credit card na basta kukuha ka lang ng credit card kasi gusto ko magkaroon ng credit card, gusto ko ganito, ganyan. Hindi lang siya basta ganon. Kailangan nyo isa lang alang kung ano yung lifestyle na meron kayo. So kaya naman guys, ang video na to is divided into 3. May part 1, part 2, part 3. So sa part 1 na to, ito yung part 1. Pag-uusapan natin yung BDO credit card, Mastercard, at saka yung BDO credit card, Visa. And then, yung BDO credit card, American Express. Sa next part naman nito is pag-uusapan naman natin yung BDO JCB at saka yung BDO Union Pay credit card at saka yung BDO Diners Club credit card. Kasi maraming klase yung credit card yung BDO. So, yung binanggit ko guys is yun yung 6 na classification ng credit card. At saka sa bawat classification na yon ay may iba't ibang klase ng credit card. So sana naman maintindihan nyo. Classification of credit card, yun yung sabi ko na Mastercard, Visa, American Express, JCB, Union Pay, at saka yung Diners Club. Tapos sa bawat classification na yon may napapaloob na mga credit cards which is may gold, may platinum, and so on and so forth. Kaya naman kailangan nyo talaga i-identify kung ano yung best credit card for your lifestyle. So, unang-una guys, kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, please don't forget to subscribe. Bago ako magpatuloy, subscribe nyo muna yung channel ko kasi goal natin guys, gold, play button. Please don't forget to send me a super thanks. Okay, move on. Balik tayo sa topic natin. So, basta subscribe nyo guys ha. Don't forget to subscribe kasi gusto ko 1 million. Yun lang muna yung goal ko. So, yan lang. Balik tayo sa BDO credit cards. Okay? Pag-uusapan natin yung BDO Shop More Mastercard. So sa BDO Shop More Mastercard guys, marami silang klase. Hindi naman siya maraming klase, kulay lang actually yung pagkakaiba. Meron kasi dati may black na Shop More Mastercard, ngayon may white, which is yun yung meron ako, white Shop More Mastercard. Tapos ngayon, may bagong kulay na ulit. Nandito yung purple, lemon, at saka yung orange. Ayan, nakikita nyo, 3 uri sila. BDO Mastercard. Shop More po siya. So, itong Shop More guys, when we say Shop More, from the word itself, Shop More. So, mas maganda ito kapag mahilig kayo mag-shopping. So, it comes with different perks and benefits kapag mahilig kayo mag-shopping at kumain sa labas. Kasi alam nyo guys, yung BDO Shop More Mastercard comes with a lot of advantages. Like, yung points nyo guys is doble at saka yung discounts. Yung Shop More Mastercard guys, mas lalo na sa SM kasi yung BDO is under na SM. Kapag nasa super malls kayo, SM super malls, yun. I-enjoy nyo talaga yung perks and benefits ng BDO Shop More Mastercard. Kahit din naman sa Ayala, meron din namang tumatanggap doon ng mga discounts. Kasi Shop More Mastercard, meron minsan nagbibigay ng 50% discount, may 60% discount. Ganon po. Kung mahilig kayong mag-shopping, mag-grocery, or magbili ng mga damit, or what, o tsaka kumain sa labas, maganda sa inyo yung BDO Shop More Mastercard. Ngayon naman, let's talk about BDO Visa. So, sa BDO Visa naman guys, marami namang klase yung credit card na meron dito. So, unang-una is yung BDO Visa Classic. So, ayan nakikita nyo, BDO Visa Classic, the card that provides more value for your everyday spend. So, BDO Visa Classic. So, common Visa Classic lang siya. Parang nandun din yung ibang benefits ng Shop More. Tapos, nandito naman sa BDO Visa Gold. Enjoy savings and treats for your shopping and lifestyle choices. So, BDO Visa Gold. Mas angat yung level nito guys is nasa 2,000 plus po yung annual fee nito. Kasi guys, bawat credit card ng BDO ay may kanya-kanyang annual fees. Kaya naman, kailangan nyo i-consider yon bago kayo kumuha ng BDO credit card. Sa Shop More, 1,800 annual fee. Sa BDO Classic Visa, nasa 1,000 plus. Yung Gold is nasa 2,000 plus. At saka yung Visa Platinum is nasa 4,000. Sa BDO Visa Platinum guys, is maganda siya kasi may free priority pass membership. So, pwede nyo ma-enjoy yung launch class, experience with priority pass, and get access to 1,400 VIP airport lounges worldwide. So, kapag naka-BDO Visa Platinum Credit Card kayo. Ganon. Kaya naman, basta kukuha kayo ng credit card, isipin nyo kung ano yung lifestyle na meron kayo para naman hindi lang kayo magbayad ng annual fee, ma-enjoy nyo rin yung perks and benefits. Then dito sa BDO Visa Gold, 2,500 yung annual fee neto. Yung BDO Visa Platinum Credit Card is nasa 4,000. Discover a world of unique privileges. So, kapag BDO Visa Platinum, maganda siya guys kapag nagta-travel kayo around the world, may iba't ibang klaseng privilege siya. Nandito na tayo ngayon sa BDO American Express Credit Card. So, why choose Blue from American Express? So, ito siya. Pag-uusapan natin kung ano yung benefits ng Blue from American Express. So, we're talking about American Express BDO Credit Card. Unang-una is membership fee waiver. Sa first year niya guys is naka-waive siya. Then, yung second year, saka na siya mag-charge ng annual fee, which is nasa 5,000 po yung annual fee ng American Express. Your first year's membership fee is on us. So, naka-waive siya sa first year. Then, monthly membership fee waiver when you spend at least 15,000. So, ma-waive yung annual fee guys kapag naka-spend kayo ng 15,000 pesos within a month. Within that statement date. Para ma-waive yung annual fee for the month, kailangan nyo mag-spend ng 15,000. So, monthly yung deduction charge ng annual fee dito. Tapos, installment programs, pwede kayo magpa-installment program. Tsaka yung bills payment. So, ito, pangalawang uri ng American Express ng credit card ng BDO is yung American Express Cashback Credit Card. So, from the word itself, cashback. Kasi naman guys, iba't ibang uri ng credit card, iba't ibang uri nga ng benefits. So, ito, nandito sa American Express Cashback Credit Card. So, maganda ito siya guys kasi makakapag-earn kayo ng cashback dito. So, ganun din naman, yung membership fee niya is naka-waive for the first year. Then, yung installment program, choose the financing options that suit your needs. Then, bills payment, ganon. Tapos, meron din mga discounts. Ayan, nakikita nyo yung mga pagkain, minsan 50%, 62%. Guys, disclaimer lang po. Itong nakikita nyo ngayon ng mga promo na naka 50% off, this 60% discount. Magbabago po yan kasi naka-offer lang siya within certain period of time. So, after that period of time given, matatapos yon, then iiba na naman yung promo niya. So, example lang po ito guys. Baka kasi isipin nyo, pumunta kayo ng restaurant kayo, kung ano yung restaurant nandyan, pumunta kayo yun kasi sabihin nyo, nakita nyo sa vlog, sa YouTube, ganyan. Hindi po ganun yun guys. Yung nakikita nyo ngayon guys is, may limit lang. There's a certain period of time na nagra-run lang yung promo na yan. Ganon. So, ito naman, punta na tayo ngayon sa why choose American Express Explorer Credit Card. So, maganda ito siya guys sa American Express. Annual fee membership, waiver, at saka yung installment programs, at saka secure shopping online. So, yun lang, hanggang doon lang muna sa tatlong klaseng yun, yung vlog na ito. Kasi sa second part, pag-uusapan natin yung BDO GCB Credit Card, at saka yung BDO Union Pay, at saka yung BDO Diners Club. At saka sa last part, pag-uusapan natin yung, ayan nakikita nyo, Discover More BDO Credit Cards. Additional credit card, supplementary card, virtual card, secured credit card. So, sa last part natin pag-uusapan yan. At saka, yun, kailangan muna natin tapusin tong vlog na to ngayon, then abangan nyo yung part 2 para sa BDO GCB Credit Card, BDO Union Pay Credit Card, at saka BDO Diners Club Credit Card. Kasi guys, sa BDO, pwede kayo kumuha ng additional credit card at saka supplementary card. So, pag sinabi supplementary card is yun yung naka-under doon sa principal credit card. So, malalaman nyo yun lahat guys pag natapos na itong series of vlogging na to. So, yun lamang guys. Thank you so much for watching. So, it's me again, Joseph Kate. So, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Yun lang. Bye!